Hi everyone, my name is Ari. I'm from Sumatra, Indonesia. This is my very first video. Sorry if the quality isn't perfect yet, because I'm just starting out. But later, when I save enough money, I'll get a better camera. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Look what I just found. Wow, it's a turtle. Such an amazing little creature, and right here, this is the excavator that I use every day for my work. Nature and work side by side. It's always interesting what we can discover along the way.